Once you have your card printed out on the appropriate paper, place it down on its face and then spray it lightly with some spray adhesive. I've put down a surface here to protect it from overspray. Once you've done that, lift the card and then remove the protective surface. Place your card down again on its face, and now, one corner at a time, line up the inside of the card, press it down and smooth it out so it's perfectly flat. Now, once the glue has dried, take a guillotine paper trimmer or a Stanley knife and ruler and cut the card to size. Next, I use a card creaser. Put your card down, line it up so that the middle of the card is actually sitting over a crease. Once you've done that, take your tool and gently take one press across the center. Score multiple times if required. Once you have made the crease, pick up the card, fold it in half and press gently across the center fold. Now I use a nail file on the very fine side and clean up any edges that were left behind from the cutting process of anything that's a little bit furry and fuzzy. And there you have it. There is your card, all done, complete, and looking very professional.